thinking about eating.
Someone is thinking about eating.
I'm always thinking about eating.
Someone else is not. Someone's ready to be done eating.
No, there's still so many more restaurants and places to go. Foods to try.
Ooh. So anyway, we're gonna try to get into Miller's all day. They don't take reservations and there's always a huge line. So I'm okay with that because I am not hungry at all. Somebody else is apparently.
Yeah, I'm starving. So you hear news reports of a man dying outside the bakery. That's good. I think I'll survive.
Otherwise, we'll try to find someplace else. So we'll keep you posted. So I got the sweet tea again, and it's not terribly sweet. I mean, it's sweet. And Brian got the bloody, but I don't think he has tried it yet. Spicy?
Spicy, really good.
So we're gonna split again today. So I got the frittata with like roasted veggies and feta and greens. And Brian got the sorghum waffles with caramel.
It's like a meringue.
Oh yeah, meringue.
Bananas.
Fries. Oh yeah, bananas. Yum.
All right, so that was really good. We went to Miller's all day, and they said we were gonna have to wait 25 minutes, but it's probably like 15 max. I got the waffle with, I guess it's meringue on top and some caramel and sorghum, maybe some syrup, bananas. Really good. Nice and light. And then you got the frittata.
I got the frittata that had like roasted veggies and whipped feta and topped with arugula. It was really good.
And we got the home fries.
Those
And the
were
home
so
fries
good.
were like perfect.
Perfectly cooked.
They were like really soft and fluffy, and they had like some
Crispy.
honey mustard barbecue sauce on the side. Really
So good.
Yeah.
So I didn't have like super high expectations. I didn't think it'd be bad, but I was like, what's the big deal? It was so good. You gotta go.
Yeah.
It's so cute in there too. It's like definitely go.
cute.
And it's loud again, so if you have small kids or want
plenty of
to
others.
right. So it was fun. It was a fun place. So speaking of kids, our kids are coming later
Yes.
today. So I don't know that we'll be doing any more filming today because we are not going out to eat anymore today. I'm done eating for today.
I'll be shooting a supplemental video this evening.
So anyway, have a great day, guys, and we'll probably see you tomorrow with whatever it is that we'll probably start doing some more activities.
Yep.
So have a good
All right.
night. See you later. Oh, what do you want to say?
Like and subscribe.
If you like it.
I'm the salesman.
Yes. All right, so now we are heading to the butcher shop / it's a restaurant too, but we're not dining there, to get some steaks for dinner tonight. We want to cook for the kids since we haven't cooked for them a couple weeks, and they like home cooked food. I mean, who doesn't like home cooked food?
They like
What do you mean they like home cooked? Well, I do too.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah, no, I do. Especially
So-
if it's steak.
Yeah, we know. Says the man who.
Mhm.
Anyway.
Yes.
So we're heading there, and hopefully we can eat there sometime. Have like a meal there as well. But we're just gonna go pick up, see what they have in the butcher shop, and pick a few things up. It's about a couple miles from our place, which we normally, I think, would walk, but that would be almost, I think it's 2.5 miles, and it's pretty hot, and
Yeah.
we don't want to walk with meat for 2.5
Yeah,
miles.
I think that's the kicker. is,
Yeah.
maybe half an hour in 90-degree
Right.
heat might not be a good choice.
No. So, anyway, this is kind of by the Sugar Bake Shop and Pink Cactus in that same neighborhood. So, oh, is that the coffee shop?
That is.
Oh, Second State. So, anyway, yeah, so we'll take you in there once we get there. All sorts of little stuff. So that was fun. Brian got some hot honey and
Oh, yes. Nebbiolo.
Nebbiolo
I think that's how you say it.
wine. There's, from our favorite bungalow club, there's one that he always likes. So anyway, it was kind of cool because we could watch our steaks being cut. And we had to wait a little while because they didn't have any in the case, but we just told them what they want and they cut it.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's a nice little shop and the restaurant looks really nice. So we have to come back for like lunch or dinner sometime.
Yeah.
So anyway, the kids should be here shortly. I think
We're getting ready to go pick them up
Yeah.
in about a half an hour.
We're
So we're
gonna-
gonna drop everything off,
Yeah, and then
jump back in the car.
and then go to the airport. So anyway, this probably is good night. Well, actually, maybe Brian will. Maybe he'll do a little footage on the grill. Footage of dinner.
Maybe.
So anyway, we'll see in a little bit. Brian's making some of his potatoes that the kids love.